In this video, I'll show you how to replace your sun visor of your Acura RDX. It also works with the TL and the TSX, many models. So the first thing, you need to bring the front seat a bit on the back side so we have a bit of space to work. And you're going to take a flathead screwdriver or a knife or this tool, and you'll need to remove this plastic cap that is hiding the screws. Simply put it under, and you see, simply by prying it out, it will reveal the screws. So remove it. This is just a plastic cap. And now we have two screws over here. You'll need a screwdriver to remove these two Torx T25 screws. Okay, so it's not Phillips, it's T25. Go ahead and unclip it the other side so you have access to the next screw, and simply remove it this way. The sun visor will come out by itself at this point and reveal the connector over here. You just need to push on the tab and the plug will release. Now once you're done, take your new sun visor and you just need to do the same thing but reverse. So plug it in there, put it back, and use your screwdriver T25 to screw it back in place. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.